Hi. My name is MOYASH. In this video, I will show you how to download and install my new custom cursor in Windows 10. So, let's begin. To download the new cursor, please open your browser and go to this page. I will put the link in the description. Scroll down. Go to Files. Here is the Windows version. Now, click on the download icon to download the compressed file. And click here to download. Here is the file we just downloaded. Right-click on the file and choose Extract All. Then, Extract. That will generate an extracted folder. And we can delete the compressed file. Now, open the extracted folder and go to the folder containing the cursors. Here they are. Find a file named Install. Right-click on the file and choose Install. That will install the new cursor to your system. Close that window. And you can safely remove that folder. You don't need it anymore. Now, to apply the cursor, you need to open Mouse Properties, hold Windows logo key, and hit R from keyboard. This will open the Run command. Type main.cpl and click OK. This will open the Mouse Properties window. Now go to Pointers. From the Schemes list, choose the right one. And here are the 17 cursors. Click Apply. Yes. OK. And now you have it. If you want to go back to Windows default cursor, open Mouse Properties. Go to Pointers and choose Windows default from the list. And click Apply. Then OK. One last thing. It will be better to have a shortcut on your desktop to open Mouse Properties window by a double click, like that. And from here, you can make any changes you want. To create this shortcut, please watch this video. I will put the link in the description. That's all for this video. I hope you like it. And if you have any comment, please let me know what you think in the comment section below the video. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe. And consider donating to MOYASH on Patreon or PayPal. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.